Hello, welcome again. We are solving General Study Paper 1 of year 2023 of Civil Services Pre-Exam. Question number 77 is consider the following statements. 1. According to the Constitution of India, the central government has a duty to protect states from internal disturbances. 2. The Constitution of India exempts the state from providing legal counsel to a person being held for preventive detention. 3. According to the Prevention of Terrorism Act 2002, confession of the accused before the police cannot be used as evidence. How many of the above statements are correct? Option A only one, option B only two, option C all three, and option D none. So here first statement, the first statement is according to the Constitution of India, the central government has a duty to protect states from internal disturbances. So that statement is correct. So the Indian Constitution explanation is the Indian Constitution allows for central government intervention in states due to internal disturbances. Specifically, Article 355 of the Constitution mandates the Union to protect states against internal disturbances and external aggression. This provision ensures the state's government functions according to the Constitution. So first statement is correct. Second statement is the Constitution of India exempts the state from providing legal counsel to a person being held for preventive detention. Explanation. This is also correct. The explanation is a person under preventive detention is in India is not exempted from the right to legal counsel. Although Constitution allows for certain exception to the right to legal representation in such cases, while the state can choose, so state can choose not to provide legal counsel. It is not prohibited from doing so. So state has some right. Okay, so that right is mentioned in this second statement. The right to consult and be defended by legal practitioners of their choice is a fundamental right protected by Article 22 of the Indian Constitution. So, what is Article 22? The Article 22 uh, provides following safeguards. Article 22: any person who is in custody has to be informed as to why he has been arrested. Further, he cannot be denied the right to consult an advocate. And Article 22, second part, the arrested individual should be produced before a judicial magistrate within 24 hours of his arrest. And third class, Article 22, third class, nothing in class 1 and second shall apply a to any person who for the time being is an enemy alien, or to or b to any person who is arrested or detained under any law providing for preventive detention. So the person who is under preventive detention is not exempted from right to legal counsel, but state has some right to provide him legal counsel or not to provide him legal counsel. So state can decide. So that statement is correct. The Constitution of India exempts the state from providing legal counsel to a person being held for preventive detention. Okay. Now the second statement is also correct. Third statement, according to the Prevention of Terrorism Act 2002, confession of the accused before the police cannot be used as evidence. So this is wrong in case of quota, otherwise it is right. The Prevention of Terrorism Act quota 2002 was a law in India aimed at combating terrorism. It defined terrorist act and terrorist and provided for their punishment. The act also allowed for confession made to police officer of a certain rank to be admissible in court under specific conditions. So answer is B. First two statements are correct. Third is not correct because here cannot be used is the word used. So answer is option B. Only two first two are correct.